DMC made an Aperta front hood for the 458 Italia. Hi guys, thanks a lot for tuning in again. Here just a very brief video showing you some close-up look details of our Ferrari 458 Italia front hood, made from beautiful carbon fiber. This is a perfect fit. It's a replacement part, as you might have guessed already. It fits the regular Ferrari 458. You take off your original front hood, swap it with this one. All bracket connections are the same. You do not need to modify your car. Now the 458 Italia still looks like a nice new car, but actually it has quite some years on its back already, as we say. So this kind of product can really help to spice up the look a little bit, refresh the car that's nevertheless from a newer generation. So if you have seen the 488 and the F8s on the street already, all these cars have taken over, and you think my 458 is looking a little bit dated, this product can help you to add a little bit refreshed look or aggressiveness to your car. As usual, there are more details on our website, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. DMC Live.